Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to continue with our detective work in the bear market or bull market. We are going to check some prices because yesterday my video was very theoretical and conspiracy-ish. So today I want to back it up a bit with some chart reviews and price predictions. Stay with me. So as we are not in a crisis mode, I have to tell you the usual. Please use a VPN, use a browser which blocks your trackers and ads, subscribe to this channel and like the video at the end after you watched it and you like the content. Also, anyone who writes in my name under my videos and comments with WhatsApp numbers and investing opportunities, that's not me. Those are scammers. Do not interact with them, do not get in touch with them because they are gonna take your crypto and you will end up with empty wallets. So let's check what we have here. Let's start with Bitcoin price. We are at the 55,000 price, and right now we are forming, let's say, a symmetrical triangle. Yeah, we can say it's a symmetrical triangle, or we can say that it's a head and shoulders. We can say a lot of things. The important thing is that right now it seems that we did not break down from the 55 support line, and that could be a good news. So are we out of harm's way? I wouldn't say so, because the reason everybody on the big channels shouted bear market is because the price came down and confirmed the 50 moving average, okay? And they said that in this bull market the price never broke down below the 50 moving average, and that could potentially mean a bear market. So just to review it, and as you know, I don't like to panic, and I also don't like to be over optimistic. I always try to keep both of my feet on the ground, to be as much realistic as I possibly can be. Therefore, I made some research. From this yellow line until the peak here, you can see the 2017 bull market. And in this bull market, the price broke down and confirmed and stayed below the 50 moving average, 50 days moving average, 4 times. And each time it spent some time there, okay? For the first time we had 5 days, then 12 days, 11 days and 10 days. So that's why I don't like these panic generating videos, because I think that the fact that the price broke down, of course not being good news, also doesn't mean that we are entering the bear market, as they also said. It's just sometimes I feel that people are over dramatizing it, okay? It's a lot of drama on YouTube. Nevertheless, what can we expect? Well, we can expect now to stay around this level for some time until the volume comes in. And why the volume will come in? Well, because people now are investing in altcoins. They don't look at crypto, because the risk versus reward, how should I say? The reward is not as big as at the beginning of the bull market, okay? Now, if you invest 1,000, you can lose it, and in the best case you can double it or triple it, but that's not the same as you could do from the beginning of March with Bitcoin. You could easily 10x your money. Now the reward is not as big, and it's equalizing up with the risk. But let's check others as well. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum went down to 2,300, let's say. It's back above the 50-day average, but we all know that Bitcoin is still king. Bitcoin still has a very big effect, but as Bitcoin started to go sideways, the altcoins started to rise, and everybody wants to make a lot of money, okay? They don't want to make some money, everybody wants to get rich. Not a secret, so am I. That's why I'm here, that's why you are here. So let's see how we stay with Elrond. Elrond is, let's say, in recovery. I do think that we will still need some time, and that time could be when we break out of this resistance line now, which was the previous support, now became resistance. That could be, for example, I don't know, a new project which is coming, which they are saying that the new project will be announced. So things are not looking bad right now. And if Bitcoin continues to go sideways here, you know, something like going up and come down, going up and down, nobody will look at the Bitcoin in that period, and the altcoins will go up in the meantime, as we could see on BNB. ADA also recovers. So what I'm doing right now, I am of course investing in altcoins, and as I said before, I invested a bigger sum of money in Chainlink, because this year I think, and it was confirmed from here and there, that Oracle projects will go big. Link was kind of sleeping. I wouldn't say sleeping, but it wasn't going up as much as everyone expected, and this could be now the time. And with Link, also other Oracle projects could be pulled up by Link. I mean, for example, Band Protocol. I'm trying to give you altcoins which are already on Binance, because I know that most of you are operating and trading on Binance, and you potentially don't have offline wallet and Uniswap and MetaMask, so on. So Band Protocol, for example, can be a good small token which potentially will be pulled up by Chainlink. But I also made some more investments, of course. I bought back Polkadot, because Polkadot went to almost 50 all-time high. Since then it came down like everything else. It did not go up, and for me that doesn't mean that Polkadot is dead or it's dropping. It dropped to the 8th place on the list. That's true, but with Polkadot it's always just a new announcement of a new project on their system, and the price is jumping. So I think Polkadot is a good investment. Cardano is at 127. It came back from 120 or 104. I don't really like to watch this big whip here for any of them, because that was only caused by Bitcoin. But Cardano lately, in the very near past, just went for all-time high again and touched 1.55, which is very good. And I think that Cardano will try to break through this resistance again in the near future. So what can we expect when things start to move? Of course, Ethereum will be a very big say in that, and if Ethereum starts to grow, then altcoins will just rocket out of their comfort zone, let's say. It's still end of the month, okay? Let's just keep this in our mind, that is the 21st, and I don't really expect any big movements until the 25th, 26th, because I think that will be the time somehow everything comes alive again, and that is when we will see some altcoin booms. Maybe Bitcoin will also recover and go and try again the all-time high. If some institutions come in, well, that could be very good news for us. I see some good opportunities here. Please be aware that being with Bitcoin still at 55,000, this is a very, very big support/resistance line. We need to go above it, okay? And we could check the 1 hour chart, to be honest, but for me that's not something which gives me hope, or which I like to check, because the time frame is just very, very short and very, very small. I look at least the 4 hour chart. From this 4 hour chart, this symmetrical triangle could potentially mean that we break out and, I don't know, spend some time around here, go sideways, and maybe go for the all-time high again in May. That's all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that the nerves just calm down a bit. I hope that everybody is thinking more clear than yesterday or the day before that. And yeah, let's see what gains are ahead of us. Take care.